Still using basic earbuds for playing music? It's time to upgrade. Galaxy Buds FE deliver richer sound, active noise cancellation, and a comfortable fit designed for everyday listening. In this video, we'll take a quick look at their key features and real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Buds FE with a wireless charging case, ear tips and wingtip, charging cable, and user manual. Want to grab the Galaxy Buds FE from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Elevate your Galaxy AI experience with Galaxy Buds FE. Now you have a translator right in your ear. Turn on the translation features on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone with Galaxy Buds FE on. Make friends with no language barrier when talking face-to-face or over the phone. Galaxy Buds FE, with their compact and ergonomic design, are here to deliver an outstanding listening experience. Block out unwanted noise with active noise cancelling, personalize the fit with various tips, and seamlessly sync with your Samsung Galaxy devices. Noise off. Your world is on. Active noise. Canceling instantly puts you alone with your music in a quiet space. Keep the distractions out and immerse yourself in the pure sound. Turn the active noise cancelling on or off by simply touching and holding the touch area. If you want to talk to your buddy beside you, you can also switch to ambient sound mode to hear them without having to take off your earbuds. Turn on Bixby voice wake-up mode and use your voice to check the weather, search songs, text your friends, and more. Simply say, "Hi Bixby," and ask Bixby to do it for you. Lost your earbuds? Well, it won't be for long. Track them down using the location of your missing earbuds. When they're found by someone else's phone, your contact information will be shared with them, along with a lost and found message. Keep your Galaxy Buds FE within reach. Compact in size, yet powerful. The battery lasts for up to 30 hours on a single charge, keeping up with your long playlist of songs, podcasts, or social media videos throughout your day. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Galaxy Buds from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Android only. It allows you to manage settings, customize touch controls, and install firmware updates. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Galaxy Buds. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Buds FE. See you in the next one.